Another day on the job site, and another day of punching holes in panel boxes. If you're like any other electrician wiring panels, you're probably spending a bunch of time threading punches on and off of draw studs each time you make a hole. You're probably wishing it wasn't so tedious and time-consuming wrestling with punches and draw studs that are rusty and cross-threaded. What you need is a better and faster way to make holes. What you need is Speed Punch from Greenlee, our newest knockout punch system that'll get you punching holes faster than standard threaded knockouts ever could, up to 3 times faster. The secret's in the no-thread design. The punch just slides onto the draw stud and the speed lock secures it all in place, making it the fastest knockout punch system on the market. Take a look at how fast Speed Punch sets up an 1¼ inch conduit size hole on a 14-gauge panel box in our product training room. Once you've drilled your pilot hole and inserted the draw stud and die, simply slide the punch onto the draw stud, secure the speed lock in place, then punch the hole. Teardown is even easier. Simply remove the speed lock and slide the punch from the draw stud. To prove just how quick the new Speed Punch system is, we punched an 1¼ inch hole in 14-gauge mild steel using our LS50 battery-powered driver in a side-by-side speed test against one of our own standard threaded knockouts. Compared to the standard knockout, Speed Punch setup and disassembly is up to 3 times faster, saving you time and money on every hole. As you can see, the combination of the new Speed Punch and the LS50 battery-powered driver provides the ultimate in knockout speed and performance. If you're wondering how strong this new system is, the speed lock and precision machine draw stud can withstand over 40,000 pounds of punching force. That's over 3 times the force it takes to punch 2-inch conduit-size holes in 10-gauge mild steel. So if you're thinking this punch system isn't up to the job, think again. It's designed to be rugged and reliable. To help prove that point, we fabricated a custom hoist rig incorporating the speed lock and draw stud. We then lifted not 1 but 2 1,000-foot spools of triplexed 3/0 cables. As you can see, Speed Punch is as strong as it is fast. Speed Punch is without a doubt the fastest knockout system on the market today for punching 3/4 inch to 2-inch conduit size holes. Each of the 5 punch sizes is available individually or in 3 complete kits, with and without punch drivers. The new Speed Punch system will also work with any of our hydraulic and battery-powered drivers you may already own. Get online to greenlee.com to learn more, or look for the Speed Punch Try Me display at your nearest Greenlee distributor, and give Speed Punch a try for yourself.